This demo shows one of our battery-operated strapping tools used in conjunction with a unique cart which allows the tool to hang directly and safely from the dispenser. One of the top concerns we hear from our clients when switching from manual hand tools to a battery-operated strapping tool is the potential for dropping and damaging the tool. You can alleviate your clients' concerns with this ergonomic and functional solution. First, let's talk about the tool options themselves. We have two tiers. Let me show you. The BT series tools are a great entry-level battery-powered hand tool and therefore the ones we will be using for this demonstration. We have put together an instructional video that is available right now on our YouTube channel. It highlights the operations and instructions. As you can see, with the ease of use and the efficiency the tool would provide, it is quite the upgrade from manual hand tools. We also have access to the full range of Italian-made From tools as well. In fact, From acquired Pac Strapping a little over 2 years ago. The From tools pull more tension and are some of the finest quality strapping tools on the market. Let's take a look at the specs. Either tool series can be used with our new DSP-TOOL cart, as long as you have the appropriate bracket for the tool. Let me show you. It can be easily affixed to the front with the screws that are included and an Allen wrench. You can actually hold it for vertical strapping applications as well as horizontal ones.
A new experience. A new tool. From makes the future smart. From's newly developed S-Series strapping tool with its sturdy color touchscreen makes work easier, improves efficiency and provides better control. All settings and control elements can now be set and monitored centrally. You can easily select manual, semi-automatic or automatic modes, providing adaptability to suit a variety of strapping applications with one tool. These settings can be blocked with a pin code. The ergonomic From design is well balanced and, besides the characteristic From look, the S-Series offers an advanced mode with additional functions and settings options. The tension force and speed can be individually adjusted. A clear visual sign shows you the end of each strapping cycle. With the familiar From quality, the new color touchscreen withstands all kinds of challenging working conditions. The touchscreen can be easily altered, even with gloves, under the most severe conditions. With its scratch-proof and robust screen, it withstands temperature fluctuations and humidity in the most abrasive and polluting environments. These new From S-Series strapping tools are extremely suitable for use in all kinds of end-of-line transport packaging, including wood, steel, aluminium, copper, brick, glass, corrugated or cardboard boxes. You name it, any application. Established in 1947, the From Group has more than 38 sales and service organizations, R&D centers and production facilities worldwide. The new From S-Series delivers the same quality and reliability that From is known for. Contact us.
Built to last, From tools come with a full 1-year warranty on parts and malfunctions, but this does not apply to drops, which is why we have the new tool dispenser cart. With locking front casters and 4 wheels to provide stability and support, the tool cart is very easy to use. Let me show you a video of our service technician, Dave, using it to strap a pallet. You have seen demos of our battery-operated strapping tools used in conjunction with our unique carts, which allows the tool to hang directly and safely from the dispenser. The cart will help alleviate your customers' concerns in regards to both safety and the potential for dropping the tool. Please reach out to your local PAC territory manager today for some more information on either option.